Let me to make my arguments.
With the member on the floor.
Let me just finish my debate.
No. And also, Senator Onyonka, just talk to the speaker, not to the member.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would like to say that I see here today my colleagues celebrating and talking about how Raila is the greatest man who was. How I wish we listened to what they are saying 3 years ago. How Raila was a mganga, how he was somebody who was completely useless to our political dispensation. Where, by the way, why have you never gotten rid of him? Now, today he's being praised of being the hero worship we wanted. Raila has been a hero worship, yes, but we will expect him to give us the excellence we expect from him. He will join your government, and if he is not going to demand that abductions stop in this republic, that we stop the corruption that is going on in our country, that we actually govern ourselves with responsibility, where we accept that our countries within our region respect us and we respect them. And then I saw my brother Cherargei going to Ethiopia. You carry 250 people who are singing Yote Yawezekana. You are threatening other African guys, ladies and gentlemen, who visited the occasion.
You remember, Senator Onyonka,
yes.
One thing that I did when the majority leader was on the floor, I protected you.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
When he mentioned your name.
Yes.
So can you kindly stop mentioning the members?
Oh, my apologies, my leader.
So that you,
I apologize and withdraw. You were not there. You were not there.
Know you are eating on your time.
Mr. Speaker.
Be having ample time to give you your points.
Much obliged,
Mr. Be disrupted all the time with the points.
Mr. Speaker, I am much obliged. I would like to say this. I want to say, I get that, but he was there.
Senator Chalegei, stop exchanging with the member on the. Allow him to contribute. What is your point of order, Senator Wakoli?
It's Cheriot, my brother. Mr. Speaker.
Onyonka, let us listen this point of order. So I will ask the clerk, when you know you are misusing my mic, the clerks. When the member is on a point of order, switch off the other mic, so that now we can be orderly.
Honorable Speaker, I'm standing on order of responsibility of statement of fact, Honorable Speaker. When an honorable member stands here and casts aspersions on the delegation from Kenya, we might not agree with you, but when you say they were intimidating, can you table facts that Kenyans, headed by the president, were intimidating people in Addis Ababa? This is a Senate. This is not a small thing in the village. Honorable Senior Senator, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to mention to my brother, the senator from Bungoma, that normally when people go to watch football games, that's how they behave. But when people go to an international conference and they're trying to negotiate and influence other people to vote for their candidate, they behave differently. I know you love football. You may not see the contradiction. I want to say this, Mr. Speaker. It is true for many of us that for me, Prime Minister Raila losing that seat was a shock. But I saw him accept the verdict gracefully. I would like to state to my colleagues in this House that if such an occasion comes back again, because it could, please let us make sure we do a thorough job. Let us consult the ambassadors, former ambassadors, the technical personnel. We could have done it better. Is it true that I knew this? No, I didn't. I'm just saying, when you go to play and you have scored many goals, then you have to figure out what to do with the team, especially with the team manager. I would like to say one last comment, Mr. Speaker. I have no problem if ODM and my leader Raila decides to join the government of the day, because I understand the complexity of Kenya's politics. But, Mr. Speaker,